Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your monetization status. Can you able to monetize your Instagram? Let's go and check out. So let's dive in. The first thing is going to open your Instagram, and the next step is you're going to open your come to this approval picture menu here, and the next thing is click on the your three line dot. That three line down, you scroll here, and you're going to click on the curator and control. Click on it, and this is it. Scroll down and you're going to see monetization status. Click on your monetization status, and here currently I am unable to monetize my Instagram, so continue checking it. Once you are able to monetize, it is going to display here that you are able to monetize your Instagram. So guys, if you found this helpful, click the like button and subscribe.